Tea holiday. Right now, you can save £50.
Yup, let's go.
Bro, what are you doing? Bro, that's not a Rottweiler, bro.
Bro, he's not biting you, bro.
He's attacking me, bro. Get him. Look here. What the fuck is that?
He doesn't bite.
What the fuck? Is that my boy? Hey, what the hell is that, G? What is that?
It's my dog, bro.
Nah. Boy, what the hell is that? See, hell, why you ain't telling me you had no fucking dog?
Just stop running. Just relax.
Stop running.
Relax.
Good boy,